In this video that you just clicked on, I'll be showing you how you can get a Propfirm account, how you can buy it, the steps, step by step, how you make the payment, how you use the platform. Not just any Propfirm, it's a Willis capital Propfirm, and they're giving out 50% discount. So this is supposed to last for like 48 hours, but it's promotion now. You can decide to extend it if they didn't get the amount of people in the first time, so you can still try it out. I will also be walking you through like the platform. They use another platform. It's not even MarkTrader, it's their own platform. And I was fortunate to talk to one of their representatives. She sent me a full video on how to go about the platform. I even found out that the platform is even way better than MT5 and everything. So since I've gone through that knowledge, I've watched some other videos and I've checked it out for myself. I'll be teaching you here. So don't worry about the way I'm dressed in this channel. This is not your conventional channel. My name is Aaron. I'm a programmer. I build websites. I'm also a forex trader. I use my website to fund my forex trading. I'm also a YouTuber here, just documenting and share my journey here on YouTube and everything I'm learning. Even this Propfirm account I'm going to be buying here with you live. I'm going to be documenting it, showing you how I trade it every single day, and how I'm going to pass it and how I'm going to get a payout. Maybe I will do giveaway once we get that payout. So make sure you subscribe if that is what you like. I said subscribe and you might still be looking. I'll go subscribe. It just takes one click. So let me get into the main business of the day and give you that value that you clicked on this video for. So simply start by clicking on the link in the description. The link will don't go to williscapital.com. Use the link in the description. That's the way to that's my referral code you get. It's a way of supporting the channel and all that. So once you click on the link, it's going to load up like this, and the sign up process is very simple. Put your name, blah blah blah, your phone number and the rest, then sign up. I've already created an account, so I'll simply click on login. So what I just have to do is to log into my account, and as you can see, the user interface is very user friendly. I've gotten so many reviews like that. So this is the dashboard. You can see I've not gotten any account yet because I'm going to be doing it with you and showing you how to get it. So you can see, simply let me put mobile display, like I'm using a mobile phone, because most of you are going to be using your mobile phone. So on your mobile phone, simply click on enroll. You can see it's just on the first page. You can see enroll. So once you see enroll like this, you come here, you see that there's a 3k account, there's a 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, and there's also 100k at the side. So what do you do now? What I love about Willis Capital is that you can pay with your Naira. You can pay with normal fiat currency instead of crypto. Most platforms will tell you to pay with crypto, but this one you can use Flutterwave or Paystack and pay directly with normal Naira. So what do you do now? In this case, I'll be getting the 5k account. How do I get the 50% off? And you can see they will easily convert the Naira for you here. Look at it, Naira. They have converted it for me already. That's around 75,000 something. This is your current exchange rate. It's not that bad. So this is what you do. Write AARONTECH, in capital letter, right? AARONTECHFX. So this is my affiliate code, and this is just a way of supporting the channel. I think that you also get some benefits from this as well. So make sure you do it, so I'll know that okay, you got there through my link, through watching this video, and it will be very, very nice for both of us. So once you write the affiliate code there, AARONTECHFX, make sure you put it there. Also tell your friends that want to get it too. They don't really have to watch this video, but they can put the affiliate code there. So this is the discount code for the 50%. The 50% discount code is just New Year 50. So it lasts for 48 hours, but I don't know, maybe they might have removed it by now, or it's still there. But anyhow, it is AARONTECHFX is still the discount code, that is still the affiliate code that you can use anytime. So I'm just going to click on apply here. So after clicking on apply, you can see now it's minus. They literally cut it into half. So I'm going to be paying this very little amount now. It's really a big steal. So watch with me through the entire process of paying. So I don't think I need to be in desktop mode now. So I'm going to the checkout page. So you can see the checkout page. What I just simply need to do is that I don't advise you using your card. Most times card usually have issue. Don't use card, just go to bank transfer, because you get a receipt, you get everything is just so easier with bank transfer. So on bank transfer, then they'll give me an account number. It's loading now. Once this is the account number, so let me quickly take out my phone, make the transfer, and I'll be able to get my account. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the bank, but there's something here on the Flutterwave page is showing Willis Capital account purchase at the beneficiary name, but the beneficiary name here is Western Sahara. So I contacted the customer care that I had in contact with. So I contacted her and she said, okay, it's still the same thing, you get. So I'm going to just click the exact amount that I'm supposed to pay plus the decimal and everything. So I think that should be correct. 37,752.75. So I'm going to press next. So and I'm going to pay. So I just made the payment now. So and I'm going to go to my laptop now and say I have paid with bank transfer. I didn't even have to click I have paid and it's worked. So it's very fast. So very fast stuff. So let's go ahead. You can see the welcome message. Welcome on board. Welcome to Willis Capital. Your payment has been successful and your proprietary trading account is now accessible. So I'm going to click on start trading today. Okay, so what next now? How do I access my account? I'm seeing my account here is active, skill check challenge active. So what do? I just have to click on overview. Then I'll see my account here. I just have to click on the account. Then you can see this is my max loss, $250. My equity, everything is showing here. I like the platform. This is today's permits before the maximum daily loss reset. So my password and my email is here. How do I access the platform to trade on? Just have to go to my email, my inbox. Then I see my receipts. These are all the receipts that I used to pay for the account. Then on the first email here, it will show me the platform that I'm going to be using. This is my trading ID and the platform. So I click on the platform. It's going to load now. The platform looks similar to Match Trader. So it's loading up like this. This is it. So this is the platform. So I'm just going to go back to here and I'll see my trading ID, which is my email. I'll copy it, copy my password as well. Then I'll come back to this platform and click on login. So you can scan it and open it on your mobile phone or download the app or whatever. So the platform is open now. My balance is there, 5k. So I'm not going to be trading this account now. Although there's a rule which states that you have to trade within 21 days. You cannot leave the account inactive for 21 days. I'm not going to leave it that long. And there's also a rule that you must trade for at least 5 days before you are eligible. So obviously I'll be doing that. Even though it's just 2 days I used to pass the account, I'll just wait for 5 days. Just click maybe 0.01 lot size and it will be counted. So this is the account. To place trade is easy. Buy here, sell here immediately. New order for pending order for setting pending orders and the rest. Stop loss and take profit. Very easy. So make sure to use the link in the description and get your own account. And remember, you're using AARONTECHFX as the affiliate code. So I'll be documenting trading this account and the remaining accounts because I usually document how I'm trading other accounts here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe so you can be able to see that every single week that I drop that video. So I do hope you really enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any other question about Alpha Capital Group, make sure to send me a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number is on the screen because I have access to one of their good sales rep who always answers my question. Even when I was about to buy the account, I saw the name was different. I had to contact the sales rep and she said it was okay. So she's really good. So you can DM me on my WhatsApp. I'll redirect the question to her, or I can even send you her number if she permits. So please, see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, that's all.